right? We have a question here. We're still on translation. Triangle ABC was mapped onto triangle A3, B3, C3 by a translation with translation vector 4, 2. Draw and label triangle A3, B3, C3. Okay, on this case, we are given the translation vector, and remember our formula: translation vector is equals to ending point minus starting point. That's our translation vector. So we're going to write 4 and 2 is equals to ending point, that's triangle A3, B3, C3, minus starting point, that's our triangle ABC. So we are given triangle ABC with these coordinates. So the coordinates of A, it's 1 and what? 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. Then B, that's 1 and what? 1 and 1. C, that's 2 and 1. Then 2 and 1. Okay? So it's like this. So let's take this bracket right here to this other side. So it's now 4, 2. Then it will be positive 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. And our answer A3, B3, C3. Okay. So in other words, we are going to add our total vector and the coordinates of A, B, and C. So that's our A, that's our B, and that's our C. So 4 plus 1, you get what? You get 5. Then 2 plus 3, you get 5. 4 plus 1, that's 5. Okay. Then 2 plus 1, that's 3. Then 4 plus 2, you get what? You get 6. 2 plus 1, we get what? We get 3. So these are the coordinates of triangle A3, B3, C3. So the question says draw and label. So A1 is 5 and 5. 5 and 5. That's A3. 5 and 5. That's A3. Okay. Then B3, that's 5 and 3. 5 and 3. So I'm going to plot 5 and 3 right here. That's B what? B3. Then C3, that's 6 and 3. 6 and 3. So 6 and 3. And as you can see, we are still getting what? Congruent shapes. So that's translation. When you are given the translation what? Translation vector. So you just substitute from what? From our equation. So that's our triangle A3B3. And if you join our corresponding points, you can see you get what? Parallel lines which are equal in what? In length. Thank you.